Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when you're unable to install this update, that is KB5094126. Because of this error, that is your device is missing important security updates. Now to fix it, the first step is to run these commands. These commands are provided in the video description. Type in PowerShell in Windows search box, make a right click on Windows PowerShell. Make sure that you run PowerShell as an administrator. Click on yes to allow. Now copy the first command, paste it, hit the enter key. This will stop Windows Update service. Now once done, you can copy the second command, paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. This will rename software distribution folder. If you receive any error, just ignore it. Now run the third command, paste it, hit the enter key. This will start Windows Update services. Now once done, run the last command, paste it over here, hit the enter key. This will create new software distribution folder. If you receive any error, just ignore it. Now once it is done, restart your PC, and after the system restart you can check. Still not working, the next step is to start services. Type in services in Windows search box, click on services, find app readiness, make a double click, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, click on OK, make a right click on app readiness, click on restart. Once done, you can run this background intelligent transfer service, make a double click, again set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, click on OK, make a right click, click on restart. Now find Windows Update service, scroll down somewhere at the bottom, you will see Windows Update, make a double click on Windows Update, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, click on OK, make a right click on Windows Update, and then click on restart. Once this is done, you can go back to Windows settings, go to Windows Update, and if you see retry option, you can hit retry, try to install the update once again. Still not working, go to Windows Update. Over here you can see pause update option, hit pause, and once the update is paused, once it is paused, you click on resume updates and let the update install and then check. Still not working, the next step is to run these commands. These commands are provided in the video description. Type in cmd in Windows search box, make a right click on command prompt tab, make sure that you run command prompt as an administrator, click on yes to allow. Now copy the first command, paste it over here, hit the enter key. This will run a scan. Once the scan is 100% complete, then copy the second command, paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. Once the second scan is 100% complete, then you can copy the third command, paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. Once the third scan is 100% complete, then restart your PC. After the system restart, you can check. Now if the scans are stuck, it's taking a long time, it's not progressing, you can close it, follow the next step. Next step is to use Microsoft Update Catalog. Open this link in a browser, it will take you to Microsoft website. Now over here you can write down the name of the update, that is KB5094126, and then click on search. Now check your, let me change the language over here. You might have to open this website again and again, sometimes it does not work. Type in WINVER in Windows search box and then click on WinVer run command. So type in WinVer over here and then click on WinVer run command. Check your Windows version, in my case it's version 25H2. Open Windows settings, go to Windows, go to system option, and then scroll down, go to about option, and over here check your system type. For me the system type is 64-bit operating system, so for me it's Windows 11 version 25H2 x64 based system. If you have Windows 11 version 24H2 x64, then this is the right one for you, or for me this is the right one. Click on download, and then sometimes it will not work, you have to launch it again and again. Click on download once again. No, still not working. Again, you might have to try it multiple times. Once you click on download, right now I think there is a problem with Microsoft website. Once you click on download, you will see this update, that is KB5094126 over here. So you have to click on that file and then KB5094126, click on it and let the download complete. Once the download is complete, you can run this file, install this update manually, restart your PC and then check. Still not working, open Windows settings, go to Windows Update, go to Advanced option, scroll down, go to Recovery option. Here you can see fix problems using Windows Update. This will reinstall your current version of Windows. Your apps, files and settings will be preserved. So click on reinstall now. This process will take some time. Once this is done, restart your PC and then check. The last step is to use media creation tool. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Scroll down. Here you can see media creation tool. Click on download now and then you can run this exe file and then click on accept over here. By default Windows 11 will be selected. Click on next, select ISO file over here and then click on next, save it to desktop, save, let the download complete. This process will take some time. Once done, you can click on finish over here, let this close automatically, go to desktop, make a double click on Windows ISO file, make a double click on setup file, click on yes to allow, click on next, click on accept. Now over here you can see ready to install. By default the option to keep personal files and app will be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer, so hit install. After the installation, log into the computer and then update your Windows 11. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to install this update successfully. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.